Good evening, YouTube. Sorry, been a minute. A lot has changed, and my network rack, does not look the same. And I was gonna post a video about that before this one, but I was moving so fast and a lot of things were changing. So I decided that I would do that after this video. And this video will be about replacing my dual P40s, Tesla P40 GPUs that were inside my AI node. The reason I'm doing that because I'm running into stability issues. PCI stuff dropping, PCI, one card would drop, and just a lot of instability issues, and instability costs you money. So I'm going with a modern architecture instability. And the other Tesla P40 is in the AI node right now, which is next to me. And I haven't installed into the rack just yet. And I will do a video on that after I do this unboxing. So I went with the Sapphire AMD Radeon AI PRO R9700, 32 gigabytes of VRAM. This the old box. And if I end up liking this product, which I have, I've been AMD for like 10 years now. So if I end up liking this product, I will buy another one. And I will probably buy another one. I'll probably have 4 of these in total, who knows? Because I will be planning on a AMD Epic AI node. So more about that later. Probably tell you guys a little too much. Try to keep everything as a surprise. But let's get this bad boy open. Pretty nice. Let's see what's in here. Not so bad, not so bad. We have the quick installation guide. We don't need that. And we have the new standard power cable for the GPUs. I think NVIDIA adopted this standard last generation. And 3 PCI slots from your power board goes into here, power cable. Handle with care, of course. Not gonna hurt this bad boy. Right, let's open this guy up. Nice and warm too, by the way. Oh wow, look at that beauty. Would you look at that? AMD Radeon. Blower style. Yes, sir. Woo, so satisfying. 4 display 2.1 ports. No HDMI, which is fine. Go and peel this plastic off so I don't forget. Very lightweight. Let's compare this to the P40. Look at that. Almost identical. So after I install this and get everything situated, I will do another video on my current AI node, and then we're going from there. And I will give you guys a look at what has changed in my network rack. Thank you for supporting this channel. Like, comment, subscribe. and there's more to come. Thank you.